And this is our fridge. We got a Dometic NRX 130C, I think it's called. We haven't even lifted it yet. So it's a 126 litre fridge. I want to look at it. I can't wait.
Oh, that's cool.
That's easy for a seal back. Oh yeah, it's not too great. So I was worried it's going to be very grey, but it's not. You got it?
Yes.
Alright, we got
It's
it.
actually pretty light. Not for you though. Not light enough for you.
I just want to show them. I want to look at that myself as well. I want to see how big the freezer is. That's decent.
That's good.
There's the freezer there. I wasn't expecting a massive freezer, but it's big enough.
Yeah.
Like you can put all your frozen berries and stuff in there. So it's got a fridge freezer setup. You can actually take this freezer section out. So you got to undo the door to get it out. But you can turn the whole thing into a freezer, or you can use it as a fridge without the freezer, or you can use it as a fridge freezer. So there's heaps of options there. I hope that makes sense. But it's also got 3 inbuilt modes. So you've got an eco mode, a boost mode to get it up and running really quick and get it cold quick. And you got like a nighttime mode. We actually use nighttime mode in Myrtle quite a bit as well. So it comes in handy when you want to go to sleep and you don't really want to hear the compressor. They're not that loud anyway. So it's got 12 volt option. That's how we're going to be running it, just with a negative and positive straight to the fuse block. Or you can use this 240 volt cord, which is currently zip tied there. I've got to cut it off. But so you got 2 options there. So you can run it inside if you wanted to, or you can run it on 240 in your caravan. I've wired that up. We've just got to push it in, and then you actually screw it from the inside. So there's 4 screw holes, one there, and on the opposite side as well, to screw it onto the frame that we've built here. So my calculations were perfect, and it slides straight in, I hope. Yep. So we've got heaps of ventilation in this. So we've got the whole back wall ventilated and the side wall. So we have no problems with ventilation there. This should just go straight in. And you can interchange the door as well, so you can open it both ways. That's it. It's in. Now I'll chuck a fuse in and we'll turn it on. Alright, let's see if she turns on. Press that button right there with my disgusting finger. Oh, we got it. It's working, Megan. So we got lights. I've got to read the instructions to see how all this works, but we're just going to set it to freezer and fridge mode, and it should be all good. Look at that. We should put a drink in there. See how long it takes to...
So clean.
Cool. It's so nice.
Maybe we can swap this one out with Myrtle.
Yeah, look at that.
Myrtle's is so dirty.
Beautiful. So you want to pull this off? Pull this plastic off?
No.
You want to wait?
We'll get white paint on it if we do that.
We'll wait for the satisfaction at the end, guys. Looks great. I'm happy with that.